Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a certain item. Now what item am I talking about? If you see the title, you know what it is. And this is certainly, here's what you're gonna see. Let's see what's inside, folks. Let's check it out. Now what is this piece? Any of you seen this? You know what it is. Any of you young BUCKSs don't? Well, I'll tell you anyway. It's supposedly a protege of the Rise Man. A protege, like a prodigy kind of piece. So yeah, let's see what we got here. So the name of this timepiece is the GDF-100, and it's a twin sensor watch. Double buckle. Ooh, LED, baby. You're gonna see at the end of this video. So yeah, I'll leave you also Exacto X4CTO. He has this particular one, or is it the one with negative display? But he coined this, or some people will coin this as the Protégé Rise Man. I mean, this came out in 2011, around the time of cool films, including the final installment, right around the time of the final installment of the Harry Potter films and beginning of the MCU that was becoming advanced at that point with Captain America: The First Avenger. So yeah, with that movie becoming a big success and its launching of the MCU, and also cool other pieces were out that year and other things. So yeah, this is definitely it's got altimeter, thermo. You got your modes. Let's check out the modes. Let's see, you have to use with this. Barometer would read about 24.3 Celsius. It's about 110/16. You got your world time UTC. Oh, the stopwatch. And then you press this for the stopwatch. Oh, it does split. What do you know? It continues on. Another button. My personal favorite, the timer. You got your alarms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, signal. That's it. That's all you're gonna get. Okay, could this do a split screen? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. All cool stuff. I already checked that one out, so let's see for altimeter. Okay, 26.2 Celsius. It's about -20. Okay. So that's all. But with that, I need something thin enough that can, like, how you say, help me to look at these. So that's for adjusting. These are modes. Okay, but what do these buttons do? Okay, let me press 1 from here. Looks like they don't do nothing. Okay. Ooh, let me see what this right here does, or they're just no, never mind. Turns out these things right here, they don't press nothing. They're just there for anything. So yeah, it's a pretty big piece, and the module number for this badass is about, let's see, 3255. Let's see, the buckle, Casio Thailand, but obviously I have to get some of these from here. Let's see how it just looks a little bit on my wrist. I'm not gonna plug it all the way in. Wow. So Yeah, you could look at the back. Definitely came from one of the ATC, the early Casio ATCs that we got years ago. And it'd be 2 years till we get the range man. Let me just zoom out, see how it looks. Okay, does look good, pretty cool. So yeah, double buckle. Anybody's curious, what band is this? Let me just put it right there. You can like take a photo of it or write it down. So yeah, folks, it's one of the best pieces. I don't know if you can still find them. And there's also a collaboration with the brand, with something called Burton. Don't think of Tim Burton. No, just Burton, like rock climbings or something like that. So yeah, there was one that was released in 2013 around the time of G-Shock's 30th anniversary. I might have mentioned to it in one of my previous videos about 2013. So you could check that out as well. So yeah, no chit chat, folks. Let's go to the music. And what music am I going to play for this one? Let me see and check it out. Alright, folks. With that, let's play the song from J-Rock featuring Kendrick Lamar with the hit song Hood Gone Love It. Enjoy, folks. You ain't gotta like it because the hood don't love it. Well, folks, if you like content like this or any other content or reviews or other things or products, click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, and if you have any opinions, comments down below. And of course, always appreciate the thumbs up as well. And of course, as you already heard me at the end of any of these videos, I'm in the YouTube community. I always post what time I post videos or leave links for certain items if you're interested or so. Your choice. And among other things. Alright, so watch it while you can. Well, anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Tuesday, y'all, and later.